What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It's cooling time! Y'all already know what to do. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Y'all are crushing it, man. We're having a good time, man. Every day's a good day when you're above ground. You know what I'm saying? The Lord has blessed us better than we deserve. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. Let's get it. Well, that looks pleasant, doesn't it? Driving right into it. Now, typically I don't pull in the driveway, but I come here enough and they're always like, just pull up in there. It's a lot easier. Hell yeah! And they're right over that wall. Bam. Bam. No. Grab the booties as always. Let's go greet ourselves at the house. And there it is. It's raining. So, not sure how effective this maintenance is gonna be, but I always go to the front door though, even though we open up this door here and I'm able to walk in freely, and I don't walk through the grass. Just a little bit of professionalism, man. I mean, it's the little things like that. Even though we may not notice a big deal, the customers will definitely notice a big deal. Standard practices, right, man? Let's go. Let's get it. Look professional. Not this guy. I'll go out through there. Ladies, carpet. And then all right there. It's a really nice, easy maintenance to take care of, man. All right. Close that for me. So, boom, boom. Now it's start outside because of the rain. Yeah, it's my secondary car. All right, kind of orchestrated weirdly, but they're in here. And then the got my drain lines are right there. Knock all them out. Inspect this before. It's like I said, it's already raining, of course. Got their filters here. Do y'all on maintenance do the people's filters? We're kind of just upon request type deal, because you can't literally carry every filter. So if they ask, we will do it. Good thing we came out for it. That would have caused a backup. So these are gonna be my supplies that I do on maintenances. We'll go open it up and kind of just do it quick and easy, because can't do much with that. Pretty pitted up. Pretty dirty. That's not too bad there. But you can see the condition of that coil. So I'm gonna swap the filters. Spray, clean all that out. Spray the coils down with our vapor spray, and do the same thing for this, that, and then we'll get on to the next one. Spray it in. And then also put a little bit of some treatment on the pan. wired up for that. They're all bad. You can see the difference from the aluminum coil to the copper with all that pitting and all that stuff that goes on. Been treating this very well. Gonna put the rest of our treatment in and call it a D on this one. All right, so we got them all open. We're gonna test each one of these capacitors, coils. There's a hose bib right there. I'm gonna spray the coils down too while we're here. And we're just gonna get on with the next call. So let me finish my job here and see what those other no cools are about. Yeah! Not sure how productive this day's really gonna be. I mean, it's hard to show on the, but it's coming down. It's annoying. Let's wait this rainstorm out, y'all. Actually stopped raining for a few. Hopefully it stays that way. And welcome to Florida HVAC, where your #1 cause for concern, drain lines. So we'll explain like what was happening is they thought it was the water heater on Friday because the water was seeping out from there. Turns out was not. It was this guy. So you can see the water in there. Very, 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 very common. So I'm gonna start rocking and rolling on this. Cleaning it out. It's one of those ultras. So they find a plug and rock and roll. Do it again. Hard to hear, obviously. I think there's actually a suction there. Customer did note, obviously you can see they have their own shop vac that they've been clearing it. After about 60 minutes they timed it, and then it'll say flow switch activated. So maybe this thing starts to freeze up. I'm gonna pop the door off. We're gonna give the whole drain line chemical treatment deal and inspect what's really going on here. I'm gonna pour some water down there too. Alright, so it's definitely not low at all. I did tell her that, you know, it could be the low on charge, but it's definitely not. That was just because I forgot this thing. Strange. See if it starts to back up inside there. Nothing. Nice and dry. back down. I'm gonna do that a couple more times. Button this door back up. Make sure, just make sure that thing's down. And then let that stabilize out there for a little bit. Some more. Right there. Oh, what's that on? Go down. Come on, wet pig. Looking magnificent. Everything's looking real good. Pour me a towel one. Boom. I'm gonna go shut the system off. We'll go ahead. Where am I going? Over here. Shut it off. Turn the vacuum off, obviously. There. So we'll shut that off. I'm gonna shut the system down. Well, no, I won't. I'm gonna reprime the drain line now. It's money, baby. It's money. Let's get on to the next call. What do y'all say?
We try and be legendary.
Let's go ahead and give this the old inspection. Solid. Don't you remember doing stuff like this as a kid? Playing on these walls. Alright. That's got hot. It's cold. This is cold. This is freezed up. I thought it was a capacitor. Yeah. Yeah, this is frozen. Yep. 2005. 3-tonner. Yeah. Because I'll show you the inside real quick. Put that there because it was leaking, which makes me think it was definitely just frozen. We'll do some inspection. The fan's running. Come on. No, I'm kidding. All right, it's definitely this one. They're loud, loud and in charge. Yep. Like I said, you can see what it said. It said double deuce, so you know how that reacts. Let's go ahead and inspect. This one doesn't look too hot either. Yeah, actually doesn't feel as cold as this one. I pop everything off. Hey, what's going on?
How you doing?
Good. So I'll be off the jump. This thing, I don't believe it's the capacitor. I think this thing's frozen up on you. All right, so yeah, that's where we're at, my friend. Yes, sir. Yep. Sure enough. That capacitor was recently replaced. So, yeah. Like I said, it's that double deucey deuce. We'll have to see what's up, what they want to do in terms of replenishing that. Like I said, right now, with that like that, let's do what's up. Let's go check it out. I'm actually gonna just shut this one off. AC1, AC2, furnace 1. Let's see if it's furnace number. Yep, that's where you're at. Oh yeah, hear it. All right. So, I got this. I explained to them, like I said, look, once they equalize, yeah, you can see we're definitely in low man's land. So we're gonna let it thaw out overnight, and potentially return tomorrow. So let's make it happen. Just always button everything up because you never know if somebody else ends up coming back. So just CYA so nobody can talk bad about, yeah, one way or another. Like I said, we'll come back out and reevaluate this one tomorrow. I'm gonna let it thaw and decide from there which option is the best option. So let me clean up. I'll see y'all in the truck. And with that, it's gonna wrap up our day. I couldn't say too much. They were kind of just right around the corner, kind of watching. I told them, hey man, I gave them the 5 options that you would typically give, right? Do nothing, gas and go, add a leak sealant since it is out of warranty, try to locate the leak, replace the component, which is probably in the EVAP, or system replacement. So they're gonna let it defrost because the wife's like, I think that we let it defrost and it'll start working. So I said, just give us a call back tomorrow. But that's gonna wrap up the day. Quick side note, this flavor sucks. It tastes just like the Bubblicious, but I forget how shitty Bubblicious was. It had that powdery coating on it. Tastes just like it, but don't buy it, all right? I love Ghost. With that, if y'all don't mind, smashing the like button, subscribing if you are not subscribed. All my subscribers, I appreciate y'all, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Later.